Just arrived at the high-speed railway station for a business trip, and suddenly, the workshop. Equipment went on strike, so anxious that you're stomping your feet. ECOA Web PLC is the remote commander of the equipment. There's no need to rush back. Whether it's a milk, tea shop, or a waiting hall, you can operate remotely, as long as there's an internet connection. Tap to start, and the machine, thousands of miles away, responds immediately. Adjust a parameter, and it synchronizes in real time, without lag, as smooth as standing. In front of the control cabinet, tilde. Who says operation and maintenance have to run themselves ragged? ECOA Web PLC breaks through geographical restrictions, making the operating status clearly visible and enabling faster fault handling. ECOA Web PLC Browser is the client, making remote control of devices so simple.